filming Skin Prep Sunday. If you guys are new here, Skin Prep Sunday goes up on Sundays where we do skincare product reviews and demos. I give you guys a full review and demo on the product, my honest opinion, the reviews from the website and everything. I just got done reviewing the Laneige Cream Skin, the toner and moisturizer. This is one of the things that I wanted to unbox with you guys. The other day, I told you guys I had a skincare product that came in the mail that took forever. Well, this was it. It finally came and I was finally able to use it. Go ahead and watch that video because it's probably already up so you can see my thoughts and the review and everything about this product. And I did not know this was Korean skincare, guys. I had no idea. I used their sleeping mask, which I am in love with. All of us are, I think, but I didn't know this was an actual Korean brand. So let me know if you guys have used it before. What do you think? But go watch the video first. I want you guys to see the full review of me using it. Give you a hint, nothing else is on my skin but this. So I haven't done my full skincare routine. I just have on the toner. I cleansed and put this on. So go watch it. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the comment section. I want to take you guys downstairs because I want to show you the products, or I want to show you guys what I ordered, what came in the mail. I have a few things to show you guys. I probably should have brought everything up here, but let's just go downstairs. Oh, and welcome. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed, give the video a thumbs up, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any uploads. Now let's go downstairs. It's a little gloomy down here, you guys, because it's 80 here today, but it's kind of overcast outside and it's windy. So I'm sorry if this is not the best lighting, but we tried. Let's get into the packages. Excuse my voice because I am a little bit under the weather. My throat is hurting, so we're still gonna push through. Okay, so first thing I want to show you guys is I ordered some earrings. I thought these were really, really cute for the summer. They're white earrings. I don't really own a pair of white earrings, but I thought these would be really cute for the summer. Side where it's gold, it says Bubble Bar. And these probably won't last me very long. I just love earrings. I just thought these were cute for, like I said, I just thought these were really cute for the summer. That's a better view of what they look like. And a few of these things I did not order. So I'm gonna show you guys what the things that I did order first. Now you guys saw me pick these up from Target. So I didn't order these. So I went upstairs and put on a little skin tint and a little bit under my eyes, just really simple. Did my brows a little bit because I do want to try some of these products out with you guys. NYX Fat Oil. This is new to Drugstore. I did pick up the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara, Curly and Lifting. This is also, I think this is new, I'm not sure, but I know that all the girls are talking about it over on Instagram, so I figured I would give it a try. And the way she did the demo, I was like, okay, I need that because I love mascara, you guys. So let me take off my lip gloss. This color is Missed Call, and this is a fat oil lip drip. They're really cute too, very small. These are the regular sizes. It's not like a mini size or anything. Smells really good. It smells like candy. We like. So far, we like. Oh, that's pretty. And very luscious. It's very luscious like I thought it would be. They had a few other colors. They had clear, I had a darker one than this, but it had more shimmer. But I just wanted this one because I just wanted like that hint of a pink tint. And that is so pretty. It does feel very hydrating. It's not sticky. It does have like the lip oil and lip balm feel at the same time, if that makes sense. It feels great. And I'm so glad that I bought this one. And it's very glossy, which I love. I love a nice greased up lip. Always have, always will. Okay, so let's get into the mascara. Why? Y'all, my ear is, I ain't been on nobody's plane. Okay. So this is what the packaging looks like. Lash and roll. I should have brought a mirror down here, but I'm gonna do one side so you guys can see the difference, if we see a difference. So the actual tip is pink, but because you have the mascara on it, you can't tell. Lord, please don't let me poke myself in the eye. Okay, this is the eye with the mascara, and this is the eye with no mascara. That's really pretty, actually. It does give it the volume. Let's see what it says. It's curling and lifting. Our one-of-a-kind double-sided brush is curved for a full lifted lash look. So it's definitely giving me a lifted look, if you can see the difference. And I didn't put a lot, you guys. I just put a little bit, but that's pretty. Because when the girl did it on Instagram, I was like, oh, I am sold. I was sold. I went to Target that day, I think, and picked it up. So let's do the other eye. Okay, so I would say it's not completely blowing my socks off in conclusion, but it is pretty good. I mean, for $6, you can't beat it. I did off camera add a little bit more, like a few more layers, but I'm not gonna sit here and do this all day because I just don't feel like it. I did add a little bit to the bottom lash line, not a lot. Just wanted to show you guys basically what the e.l.f. mascara is looking like. Like I said, it's not bad. I'm not blown away. But, I mean, it's giving me a little something. So this is cute for, you know, a no makeup look. If you're not really a girl that likes to wear a lot of makeup, because I did build it up a few times, and this is what I got by building it. I'm not going to do any more. I don't know if maybe the girl that was advertising it, she just really went in, because, I mean, her lashes were like crazy. And then I don't have a lash roller or a lash comb to make them look, you know, sprouted out. But this is just what they look on normal lashes. So let's move on. This particular package I did not order. It's actually a video that I'm doing. I actually got some products sent to me. This is through PR. This is Iota plant body serum, and then you have the super vitamin body wash. So we'll be doing a review on this actual both of these for this brand. The body wash has lemongrass and eucalyptus leaf, and the this one is fragrance free. So I'm gonna show you guys what the actual packaging looks like. So I think it's really cute. Very aesthetically pleasing. They look like shampoo bottles, but I think they're really cute. Okay, so I ordered something from Micah's, but this is the name of it. I'm always seeing them on Instagram, and I've heard a few people order from them. Now, the dress that I wanted when I ordered at the time, it was out of stock. They didn't have it, so I couldn't order that, but I did order two things. So the first thing I ordered is this really cute, this is the packaging, by the way. This really cute skirt that I saw. Let me scoot back a little bit. It's very, very different, but really pretty. And I was like, oh my God, I have to have it. I have to have her. She's just so cute and different, and I don't see a lot of this. And I just thought it was really, really cute. I hope I can fit it. I ordered a 6, which is a medium. So it does feel like it has a little bit of stretch to it. The quality is not that bad. I was expecting it to be a little bit better quality, but I do have a plan for this skirt. I just thought it was really cute and very different. I love pieces that I can find that are very different. Just got a t-shirt off of their site also, just to see like the difference in fabric. And I love t-shirts, but this one is kind of cropped for you already. It says the doors Santa Monica Civic. I think that's what that says. But I thought this was just a cute little top to wear with some high-waisted jeans. I love t-shirts and just regular simple tops, so I ordered this too. The dress I'm gonna order, and when it comes, I'll show you guys. It didn't take that long to get to me, but it took some time. So when it does come, I will show you guys. It's really pretty, and I've been wanting it for so long, but it's always sold out. The last few products I have to show you guys are from Minted. I did not order these. They sent these to me, and I'm glad they did because I love Minted Cosmetics. I've used their products multiple times, and I have posted videos on their products, and they have actually reposted me on their page, which I thought was pretty cool. But they reached out and sent me a few products to try. So I'm gonna try them with you guys. I am gonna create a reel with these products for Instagram, but I'm gonna try them on here with you guys. And if you guys didn't know, Minted Cosmetics is a Black-owned line. Follow them on Instagram. I'll put their tag here. They have great products. Like I said, I've already used their products before. I love when a brand reaches out to me when I've already used their products and I'm already in love with them. It just makes it so much easier. But this is their lip liner, and I love their lip pencils in the color Night. It's a nice chocolate brown. So pretty. No, oh, the tip of it is broken. Crap. Okay, let me. It's not as pointy, but it's a nice chocolate brown. So pretty. And then they sent over this is the lip gloss. The color is Sin Nudes, which I thought is really pretty also. A nice chocolate brown. That's pretty. And then they sent over Nude Lala. This is a semi-matte lipstick. My throat is killing me, you guys. And I love the packaging. Nice matte black, so chic. And then that's a nice chocolate brown lip also. So if you're into nudes, they have really good nudes. Not just the ones I'm showing you guys, they have really good nude selection. So let's do this together. See how easy they go on too? This is really hard to do just in the camera. So let's go in with the gloss. I want to see what it looks like with the gloss. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. I could go in more, but I'm not. I think that just really gives you a good definition of the lip liner and the lip gloss. That's really pretty. And this smells like cookies. Yep, it smells like cookies. Okay, this one I'm not gonna put on. I'm just gonna show you on my hand or swatch it for you. Ooh, that is pretty. Yes, and this is semi-matte too. So if you don't like a hard matte, this is semi-matte. But I would love this in a hard matte, like a regular matte. I would love this. I'm gonna see on their site if they have it, like in a regular matte. This is so pretty though, very pretty. Not too sheeny, but it's really pretty. I do love that. So this is how I'm gonna go out. So I'll just have this on for the rest of the day. A very simple look. Like I said, I'm sorry we didn't have better lighting. Maybe I can go. Okay, so I'm standing in front of the window to get better lighting so you guys can see. Please excuse my messy kitchen. But this is what the lashes are looking like in the lip that I just tried on for you guys. It looks really good. It does. It looks really good. It's very, oh, I just love this lip combo. Very pretty. I cannot wait to do it for Instagram. A moment of silence for the lip combo. Of course, I'll link this stuff below for you guys.